Nagpanik ang fans ng basketball player na si Kobe Paras dahil hindi na nila mahanap ang Instagram account nito. Dahil dito, dinumog ng fans ang account ni Kylene Alcantara, ang itinuturong girlfriend ngayon ni Kobe, para magsumbong at makakuha ng impormasyon. Sa post ng isang magazine kung saan si Kylene ang kanilang cover photo, nag-comment ang isang netizen. Ayon dito, bakit hindi naka-follow si Kobe Paras? Sagot ng isang netizen, inaayos po ni Kobe account niya, may pa-surprise yata. May mahabang payo naman ng isang fan ng rumored couple na sina Kobe at Kylene. Sabi niya, deactivated ata ig ni Kobe, hindi natin alam kung bakit, pero PLs, tigilan nyo na kasi kaka-mention sa kanya sa mga ig posts ni Kylene. Fine pressure nyo na mag-like, comment, story, or what while it's true that their chemistry is something and it's making you all happy, let's stop making it looks like they are responsible to keep that, kilig, para sa inyo. Kaya nga low-key kasi hindi yan love team na gagawa ng teleserye or series, let them enjoy what they have genuinely. Sumang-ayon naman sa kanya ang ilang fans, let us give them a chance to be like ordinary people enjoying a normal love life, di kasi love team for commercial purpose ang sa kanila, they are both truly in love, anyway, we can see some of their activities and family bonding, let us be happy for two people trying their best to strengthen their love in the showbiz world, they deserve our good wishes.